Hello class, good morning. So our topic for today is comparing and ordering decimals. Let's start. So in comparing and ordering decimals, we use these three symbols or mathematical symbols. So the first one is greater than. When the mouth opens to the biggest number, the next one is less than. And the third one is equal. So these are the three mathematical symbols that we use in comparing decimals. So in comparing decimals, the first thing that we need to compare is the digit in its the digit with biggest value or largest value. It's like here 1.3 and 1.2. So we need to compare first the ones digit, so 1 and 1, meaning to say they are equal in that digit or in that place value. And next is tens, because this is point and this is point. The next is tens, so this is 3 and this is 2. It means that 3 is bigger than 2, so the sign would be greater than, or we can write it as 1.3 is greater than 1.2. So next example, 4.58 and 4.56. So the first thing that we need to compare is the ones digit. So 4 and 4, they are equal. So next, let's proceed to tens. Tens is 5, then 5, they are equal. The next is hundreds. So 8 and 6. 8 is bigger than 6, so the sign must be 4.58 is greater than 4.56. So next example, 0.21, 0.213. As you can see, we have 3 digits here and 2 digits. So the first thing that we're going to do is just put 0, because it will not change its value. This is for decimal only, okay? So now they have the same number of digits. Then let's start to compare. For the tens place, 2, 2, so equal. 1, I for the hundreds place, 1, 1, so they are just equal. And next is for the 1000 digits, so 0 and 3. So 0 is less than 3, so the sign must be, or it can be written as 0.21 is less than 0.213. So now let's proceed to ordering decimals, smallest to largest, or what we call ascending order. So as you can see, we have 3. So first is 0.26, 0.11, 0.39. So since they do not have whole number, let's directly proceed to decimal. So first is compare their tens digit. So this is 2, 1, and 3. So as you can see, the smallest, since this is smallest to largest, meaning to say we will start listing from the smallest decimal. So since the smallest is 0.11, so that would be the first in the list. So we still have 2 remaining decimals. So 0.2, 0.3. So the next would be 0.26. And the remaining one is the last in the list, which is 0.39. So this is what we call the smallest to largest or ascending order. So now let's proceed to greatest to least, or what we call the descending order. So we will start the list by the greatest number, then down to the least number or decimal. So first is, since they have whole number, so we need to compare first the whole number of these three. So 2, 2, 2. So since they have the same ones digit, so let's proceed to the decimal part by starting tens digit. So 3, 3, 9. So it means that the greatest, okay, among the three number is 2.927. So that would be the first number in the list. Next, we only have two now, 2.386 and 2.316. We're done with the ones digit in the whole part and tens digit in the decimal part. So let's proceed to hundreds digit. So 8 and 1. So you can see that 8 is greater than 1. So the next in the list is 2.386 and the last one is 2.316. So this is what we call greatest to least or descending order. For your activity, answer quiz A, B, and C on page 149. Take a clear photo of your answer, send it by private message, deadline October 30.